Julia-Trusus Julia-Trusus is made from hot-dipped galvanized steel. Pressed to T-shape after cooling, backpaint on surface finish. High-grade galvanized steel as main material, non-deforming, fadeless, moisture-proof and anti-corrosive. Strong close fitting, high symmetry. High load capacity. Easy and fast installation, save installing time and labor cost. Large production line and strict product inspection. Larger quantity and better quality are available. This is how to install the Julia-Trusus. The installation method is very simple and convenient. The ceiling of our company consists of mineral wool board and Julia-Trusus.
Trust us from hard cooperation, reasonable price, unique quality, scheduled delivery on time, updated technology and equipment, service warmly.